Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete a hard disk image file in Windows 10. Before we dive into the details, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open File Explorer. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the letter E at the same time. This will bring up a window where you can browse the files and folders on your computer. Step 2. Next, navigate to the folder where the hard disk image file is stored. Common examples of these files include .vhd or .iso extensions. If you're not sure where it's located, you can use the search bar in File Explorer to type the file name and find it more easily. Step 3. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Delete. If prompted to confirm the action, click Yes or Continue to complete the deletion. And that's it. Following these steps will help you successfully remove the hard disk image file from your Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching.